Hello, this is my newest creation. This is a 750/1500 watt brushless direct drive motor. Some offbeat brand. I tried looking up those numbers. Can't find them. As you can see, I went with the torque arm. This is a full suspension bike. The controller, I haven't had it wired up yet. But I got it set for voltage. It's a full throttle. Everything's actually controlled from that side. I put the water bottle on. I put an air pump on. I've already had one flat. That was yesterday. And then the controller is actually in this box right here. And as you can see, it's a 20.8 amp hour battery in it. I'll go around this side. I put a backpack to store some hardware, some tools, and spare tire. I got it set so it's restricted me to 35 miles an hour. It goes up to 45. I have a 52 volt battery, by the way. Just to let you know, it's a 1500 watt, set to 750 watts, with a 20.8 amp hour battery, 52 volts. I wanted that extra speed.